So just to explain that this establishment was started in 1994, was started by the owner's mother. She had 3 cheetahs, she brought them into this area. It was an open area. There was a bench. You could come from the lodge if you were staying, you could sit with the cheetah, read a book, have some cheese and wine, and the cheetah would walk around you. When she passed, the owner and his wife, Mrs. Null, they decided to open it up as a project. It's a breeding program that we have here. So any of the cats that own these pens, they're tame cats that people don't want anymore, or they've come off the black market. So if they've come off the black market and they're very young, we have to bottle feed them. If they are anywhere over 67 months, we don't need to bottle feed them. Those cats will be released back into their natural environment. But as soon as we have to bottle feed a cat, it makes them tame, which makes them fearful of humans. And there's no ways we can then release them back into nature.